Wanna know how to unlock hidden potential in your characters in Dokkan Battle? Hidden potential is when your units truly shine. Here's how to unlock it. First, go to Hidden Potential tab and select the character with a rainbow icon. That means it's eligible. You'll need Hidden Potential orbs, which you can earn from orb events or special missions. There are three types: small, medium, and large orbs for each color type. Use them to unlock nodes or potential grid. For duplicate characters, unlock their 4 hidden paths to access advanced stats and special skills like additional attacks or critical hits. Prioritize units you use most, especially RR and Dokkan Fest exclusives. Once all paths and nodes are unlocked, you'll see massive boosts in SP, attack, and defense. Your unit becomes a true powerhouse. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you unlock hidden potential characters in Dokkan Battle. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you next one.